Hey folks, I'm Will Franco, and I've made a few connections at this Marketing on Main event. So I wanted to fire up my webcam and to create a quick video to share with you what I've learned. And here it goes. Number one, you get to practice your pitch. Because it used to be that we pitched the milkman and the mailman and the butcher. But those types of interactions are fading away. So what better place than a room full of your peers where you can practice your pitch, see if you can get that light to go off in someone's eyes, even if they're not your target psychodemographic profile. Number two, you get to help other people. Now this is an important one because if you go into an event like this looking to sell, people are going to get their guard up and you're not going to make any connections. But if you go into an event like this looking to help other people, the connections that you make today are going to lead to the clients you create tomorrow. Number three, you get to network with a group of your peers. Because we're a community after all, and in order to support each other, we have to know each other. So this is a great place to get out into the community, to network with your fellow business owners, your fellow entrepreneurs, to get to know each other, and to fortify our community. Number four, speed networking. This is my favorite because when you walk into a room cold, you've got to open and close conversations, and you've got to be pretty good to work a room. Whereas if you go to speed networking, you get to meet 20, 30, 40 people where you get 90 seconds to pitch your products and services and somebody else gets 90 seconds to pitch theirs. It's an accelerated learning opportunity for you to practice your pitch. It's a great way for you to get to know the people that are going to be in the main room. And it's a way for you to start building your community inside of the event, to get to know your people. So thanks very much for watching, folks. I'm Will Franco. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll look forward to seeing you at the next event.